Let's talk about Eddington's salad dressing jar. Salad dressing jar. Recipes listed on bottle. 6 cm by 6 cm by 19.2 cm. Features 8 easy-to-read salad dressing recipes printed on the outside of the bottle. A great addition to any kitchen. I've had one for years and it's a solid build that has stood the test of time. Frequently used. And recently bought 2 more for friends. They were stunned to see such a simple but useful idea. It arrived early, was well packaged. No plastic. The instructions and recipes are varied, easy to read, and they all work well, flavor-wise. A great bottle for mixing dressing. The recipes use a lot of sugar, which I cut down, and they still tasted good. It's easily washed and the lid fits well so to risk no splashing when the dressing is shaken.